Let's watch this video.
That are similar. I can see some people are wearing uniform in this school. Please, what are they up to?
Today is our back to school, as you can see.
We are trying to bring a remembrance of the secondary school days.
Yeah, today is our back to school, and the finalist.
You mean back to school, right?
Exactly.
Can I know your name?
I am one of them, Ismail Ajande Kobo Persi.
Okay.
Can I know your best course?
Okay.
Yes. Shut up, everybody. Listen.
Okay. Best of the besties. Trigolo philosophical engineering.
Pardon?
Philosophical engineering.
I hear me. But me.